Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, guys. Today we'll take a look at the Great British Pound because market has shown some action that forces us to adjust our previous view on the market, and mostly we right now have to refuse the previous idea of the possible downward action, because recently market has shown really fast acceleration and erase some patterns that has been formed. And by this action, it also still stands on a possible further upward continuation. So it keeps the valid the pattern that was forming here. And previously we discussed the possible failure of this pattern, but yesterday, due to the bad data from the United States on the real estate market, sort of situation has changed. And market right now shows the fast acceleration that gives us the hint on a possible further continuation. Currently, it's very difficult to foresee how far this upward action could be. But even if market will reach the nearest targets around the 146.50 area, that already will be not small move, the 300 pips approximately to the upside. So in general, guys, even this upward action, it will not change the overall long-term picture on the monthly chart. So on the long-term perspective, Great British Pound still will be bearish, but this recent action mostly gives us more clarity on the depth of the retracement, because for a long term, the appearing of this head and shoulders pattern and in general the standing around was the riddle for us, because it was difficult to answer on the question whether market will start move down here, or it could show some deeper retracement to the upside. So whether this retracement will take some continuation. Once we have seen that market starts to calling with this shoulder and wasn't able to continue move immediately to the upside, last week market has formed here the bearish grabber that suggested taking out of these lows and was not able to move above the monthly pivot point. That was the sign that probably market could drop lower. And indeed, market initially has started move down here, but then suddenly stop, and when the bad data has been released, in 2 days market stands in this action. But when it stands below the grabber was valid till the yesterday. And as the bad data has been released, market has skyrocketed and taken out of this top and erased this grabber, moving above the monthly pivot point. So this changed the situation. At the same time, we have to make some adjustments to the previous view. Initially, when the market just has started move up with this A, B, C bottom, deep point acceleration here, we thought that this probably will become the head and the neckline should be mostly horizon rather than sloped. But taking in consideration all this stuff here and standing around, we will have to change our opinion, because as you can see here, we definitely have the appearing of the shoulder. It's a bit choppy. It's not really it doesn't show real consistency with the head and shoulders pattern itself, because market should behave a bit different when it forms the right shoulder. But the recent action still tells that probably Great British Pound could show the deeper upward action. What do we have here? That's why we have to take this slope line as the neckline rather than instead of the horizon line, because as you can see, market was standing too long here, and right now it takes definitely the shapes of the shoulder. At the same time, market keeps the harmony, because as you can see, as we said in our weekly research, take a look at the lows standing here approximately the same lows were that in the left shoulder. So also market right now is standing in the breakout, as you can see, of this neckline, trying to break it out. So what could we do, and what action could happen? So first of all, the classical target of the head and shoulders pattern, the minimum target, is based on the ABCD pattern. So this is the bottom of the head, bottom of the shoulder. A, B, C, bottom. D will stand at 46.70 approximately, 100% extension. Ultimate target will stand at 151. It's 1618 extension, but I'm not sure that market will reach this level. So first we need to watch for this area. At the same time, this will be, as you can see, significant resistance cluster. So this will be monthly pivot resistance one. So we know that as market stands in a long-term bearish trend, retracement should be held by monthly pivot resistance one. That's additional level to watch for. That could give us a clarity whether this really just a retracement or this market will pass through him through this level. Probably could mean that market could continue to move higher. That's why this level is also important. Probably here we could get some fib levels as well. So take a look at the weekly chart and calculate them by yourself. Probably this we have the fib level as well in this area. So the upward action by itself could take the shape of the butterfly. You probably already could see it. I will show you. That could become the left wing of the butterfly. Probably will become, and this will be the right wing. Probably we should watch for 1618 mostly extension, because here, as you could see, this target stands a bit lower than the target of the ABCD, but who knows. Anyway, this cluster around 146, let's call it in the 146 area, will be significant destination point that includes different targets. So butterfly, ABCD extension, pivot resistance. So this will be a significant area. This could be a potential target of the retracement. So until market will not return right back down and drop below these lows, we will not be able to say that the bearish trend has been re-established. Only if market will do this and drop below this low, we could say yes, Great British Pound has turned back to the bearish trend, and we should watch for downward action. As you can see, the butterfly that we have discussed in our weekly research, so big butterfly, this could become the left wing, right? This could become the right wing that we have discussed. Is still valid because market still stands below these lows, but overall price action currently shows real hazard for this butterfly. Although theoretically market still stands below this top, practically, actually, recent action left less and less chances that we will get this butterfly in perspective. So for that purpose, we need to get the total cancellation, the total destruction of all bullish patterns. That could happen only if market will drop below these lows, including the hand shoulders. That's why these lows were important. At the same time, on our prediction, we said that if market will move above this top, this simultaneously will erase this opportunity for this butterfly. So that's clear. So let's keep watching what will happen. On the 4-hour time frame chart, guys, market forms another bullish signs. So it's a bit messy chart, but I just would like to keep these lines to give you the explanation. So recall our diamond pattern that we have talked about on the last week. That was 2 lines of this diamond pattern. When the market dropped here below it, we said yes, probably this is a real breakout. We need just wait for retracement. Here market has formed the bearish grabber, and we said, well, this is very good sign because market has formed a grabber. And that was simultaneously retesting of this broken line. Market has failed to return back and drop. That was till that moment everything was okay. Here market has started the upward retracement. We said, well, it's normal. But when the data has been released, so market initially has stopped the retracement where we have suggested that was the resistance below the monthly pivot point. That was good entry point and reversal, and indeed has started. But then data has been released, and market just skyrocketed on the Bay data on the real estate United States market. So what has happened by this action? First of all, market has moved above the weekly monthly pivot point. Second, take a look. This resistance has been broken to the upside. Currently, guys, market is creeping with this trend line. So it broken it down, and right now it's testing from the downward to the upside. You can see here again. Currently, market still holds some kind of the Gartner's 322 sell, so you can see that runs down, ABCD retracement. But why I do not really would like to rely on this bearish pattern? Because when the market forms the bearish pattern and when it really has the intention to turn down, it should not show such sort of the action to the upside. So take a look. We see here the different signs of the thrusting acceleration here on the AB leg, even more thrusting action on the CD leg. This is not the normal behavior for the market when it forms just minor retracement on a bearish trend. Yes, I like this action, as you can see, but this is too strong upward action. So market should not show such sort of acceleration when it forms just a retracement up, and it really has intention to drop lower. That's why I think that this is just I explain why market has stopped here and why this retracement has started. So you can see also butterfly has completed 127 extension, so market right now stands in the temporal resistance where some downward action could start it. Probably this retracement even could be very small, but the most strong level stands right here around 142.60, this confidence support and monthly pivot point. So probably market should not drop below this level, but I think that current retracement could be even smaller if it really has the bullish ambitions and if it really would like to continue move high. It's probably that the first destination point will be 1618 extension of the butterfly. It's 145 even. It's right here. Since this here we have very fast acceleration, usually when the butterflies shows the acceleration to the 127 target after minor retracement, it usually continues action to the 1618. That's why this is the nearest perspective that we could get. Maybe some European Central Bank statement tomorrow will become some catalysis on this upward action. So we will see. But currently, this is just explanation why market stopped here and shows some pause in the upward action. But currently, we do not call you to rely on this patience and do not take any shorts right now. As we said, on the daily chart, we could think about the taking short only if the market will break this area down. That's our position on the Great British Pound. So that will be probably temporal stop and an upward action that should continue soon. Because currently, guys, market shows really action that more suitable, more typical for upward continuation, starting for head and shoulders activity on the breakout of the neckline and upward continuation. Because if market really let's call it as would like to fail in this area, it has more than necessary reasons to do that. So stop grabber, the ability to break through the monthly pivot, start to move down. So long-term chop action with the shoulder, that's really shows that this really weak head and shoulders pattern. And if market really would like to fail and drop, it could do this yesterday, but this hasn't happened. That's why and all patterns, bearish patterns that we've got here has been erased. That's why we call you do not take the shorts here until market will not drop below the lows, as we said, below 140 area. Because market right now has really not bad chances maybe to reach 146.50 area. It's the first destination point with the possible this head and shoulders pattern.